What's good, bruh? What's goody, bruh? um, I'm only looking for a short idea today, same as yesterday. Really, only one idea that I'm really looking at, and I'm gonna explain shortly why. I just want my stream to start, and we're gonna talk about this.
What's good?
Okay. So it's very simple. We're very bearish, just looking to follow trend lower. We have what did I trade off yesterday? Didn't we take? Oh, we had that. Actually, oh, we had this. Okay. So what I'm looking at is just continuing lower on GU here of this hourly AVG towards this low and taking it. We kind of did take it though, so we might see some intent depending on whether we inverse or not. I would still like to target this low. See, we have a very shallow wick. We can even take buys after that, but yeah, we're gonna see. I'm down to short, basically trading Asia classic model. 50-minute POI, hourly AVG here, just looking to trade off it. Looking to take some trades lower. We don't have much opposing structure. I would say we at least deliver once more towards these lows. This is a model I traded a lot of times, so it's pretty simple. Now we have all these buy sell liquidity here generated. I just want to see a sweep and the market structure shift, and I'm taking this shit lower. That's pretty much it. Not a complicated trade. Euro, okay, euro is already breaking. Euro kind of has the same idea. Euro is a bit weaker, a bit better for this idea, right? But we have high resistance, which I don't like trading towards. I don't like trading towards high resistance. So since that reason, I'm most likely not going to be looking to trade euro, even though it's more suitable for the idea because it's weaker. Already looks good. Look at this, of this right there. But it's a pre-London entry. It already looks good, like straight off the bat here, but we're gonna wait on GU. Actually, still waiting on GU, but this entry already looks good. We rated liquidity, we formed this low, respected bearish gap, and now start breaking lower. Intuitively, I like this. I like this how we're looking, but I do not want to trade into high resistance. It's just about being patient here and knowing where our chances are of actually holding a good setup. I prefer GU here. Let's see this sweep of buy sell liquidity, and if we break lower, if we inverse that right there, then we can look to take lower prices. I would still like to see these highs getting taken here because it's just nice liquidity, and I want to see us top that 50-minute AVG that we actually have right there. Let me refine it so we're accurate. I wouldn't take this. If we break lower now, I wouldn't take this because our PI is not tapped, and I'm not gonna trade like that. Even if we leave, same on euro, I can do a demo here at most. Looks pretty good intuitively, but I know no matter how good a trade looks, if we're trading into high resistance, it has a very high chance of failing. So that's gonna be the reason I'm not gonna take this, even if it works. It's just better off to avoid scenarios like this, no matter how good a setup looks, right? No matter how good a setup looks, into high resistance, it most of the time fails. Same with GU here. Even if we break lower, I'm not gonna take it. So it's gonna be pretty simple. I'm just gonna chill. This just gonna be way more chill than usual. I'm just gonna put this on the second monitor, maybe even play some video game. Like yeah, that's why I said these days I've been trading very chill. I'm not really chasing any setups. I'm not really chasing anything. I'm just waiting exactly for a one. If I get it here, of course we're gonna trade. If we don't, we don't. The account is doing pretty good. If you guys are wondering, let me open my terminal. Let me move this again to my first monitor. We are at 55. We were at 30. Now we're at 55. This was the trade yesterday. I still have these. Sometimes these forced trades. At least now I'm kind of aware of them, and I'm lowering risk massively on them. But I want to avoid these because these cannot trim profit in a sense. So that's what I'm gonna do. But for now, we're still doing good. We're just growing overall, and that's really what matters to me. So yeah, I'm pretty satisfied with how things are going, at least until now. But let's see if GU breaks. We did take this low here, but it's a very shallow sweep. I would still anticipate us coming back lower into this and then switching trend bullish. We're in an area I think very high potential for switching the trend bullish because If you look at this range, we're in equilibrium, almost in equilibrium. But yeah, we have potential switching trend bullish. I'm not gonna take any bullish trades, I don't think so. I still prefer us coming back here. Now we sweep this buy side, and now if of this high and of this tap into the 15 MVG we start breaking lower, that's exactly what I want to see, and that's gonna be my trade for the day. Euro, this was the potential trade, I could say, but I took it on the demo because it's I don't like it. So this one I really like. I like how the buy side liquidity sweep looks here. I like how we're starting to reject it. So if we start breaking lower, we can have a really good idea here. We can get our 2-hour on Asian lows and be done for the day, and that's it. In like a couple minutes, we just look for that Judah swing into Asian lows, and then the price can do whatever it wants, right? This is my idea. This is one model that I trade a lot of times, and yeah, it should play out, and we'll see. We're just adapting. But I do like how we swept these equal highs here. This was the trade that we took yesterday. Where is it? Yeah, it was basically a counter trend trade, but there are times when we have a lot of confluence on a counter trend trade, and we see we got way a lot of R on this trade. Even for a counter trend trade, we would have gotten 4.5, which is crazy. I closed at a 2.5, but it's still fine. A counter trend trade in price chooses the real trend. Now we're actually looking to trade with a trend. If we look at our we're trading sells here, so we're gonna see. I want to see us break with momentum here. I'm not really scared about this 1 minute VG. We're gonna see. It's gonna start with this inversion, but this is, yeah, I still want to see. For me, the confluence here on taking shorts is gonna be this slow, and this 1 minute inversion here, this is kind of insignificant. It's way too risky to be trading off this. So this is what I'm waiting for. See, I mean, we're kind of respecting it for now. Euro probably is going to come back and re-sweep this high because we haven't fully taken these highs here. So yeah, that's why this demo trade is troll, and that's why you shouldn't trade like these. But we'll see if we get it. We might also inverse because we did take that low very shallow sweep, but we're going to see. For now, we're getting a very bullish rejection. Very bullish rejection for now. So yeah, we're just going to see what it do. AUD/USD definitely not going to be trading. I haven't checked gold, but gold is similar, but gold is very choppy. I don't want to be trading gold, bro. I don't know. I'm probably going to stop trading gold at all. Like, I never traded again in a sense. It's very choppy for intraday structure. This is nice because we see the start of London actually make that Judah swing and tap that 50-minute POI. Okay, this Euro gamble already would have gotten stopped out. So yeah, this is why you don't trade like this. Yeah, the demo trade. But yeah, I'm waiting on this. It looks good for now. I want to see behavior. But this for me is a brain dead trade. I've been trading this model a lot of times. This actually was my first model that I ever traded, which was we just have an Asian range, and of equilibrium we just look to follow trend into these Asian lows. And here, if you actually look at price, we're close to equilibrium. I would take the range from here. If we take it like that, we're in equilibrium. But yes, that's a very simple idea, right? We have Asian range, we have bias being bearish, we have drawn liquidity, we have our only POI here. If you look at prices, there's 50-minute VG around equilibrium prices, and it's really simple. We're just looking to continue lower. That's it. Very simple idea. No hard time frame, no iffy peaky whatever rules. It's just looking to follow trend lower. Now we're just waiting on an entry, and we have this lower time frame buy side liquidity sweep, which is really good for us because we're getting confluence, right? We're getting extra confluence that we're actually gonna deliver lower. Not strong opposing PD raise. We do have this sell side rated, which might be a reason why we can switch trend higher. If we do, that's it. I'm not gonna take any trade. I'm really not gonna be looking at buys here. I don't really want to look at buys. This is my idea, and if we get it, we get it. If we don't, we don't. So for now, I was looking pretty bullish after this 1 minute rejection. I would have liked to see this inverse and start breaking lower. This kind of shows us what the next intent is, but we're still gonna wait. We'll see if we get it, and if we don't, that's all good. We ain't looking to force any trades. And that's a good start though. Yeah, we mitigated kind of equilibrium of that FVG. Let's see if I draw a rectangle. Yeah, we're kind of exactly in equilibrium, which sometimes makes sense, right? That's where we're more likely to build that intent lower. If we break, we can also break above, but again, look at the shallow sweep. We had that low, that I would the higher time frame low right there. We see it, right? And we did kind of take it very shallow sweep. I would still prefer it on these shallow sweeps. These are usually used to retrace it. Usually I like to still target them because it's too shallow of a sweep, too small liquidity rate. It's not even a pip below it. It's 0.03 pips below the liquidity level. So these are usually retracement size. We do raise like this to have power to retrace, and then we continue back into that that sell side. That's what I'm anticipating. Even a higher time frame, we have this 4-hour big ass 4-hour AVG. So this is where I would anticipate us to draw lower, but if we look, we kind of mitigated it, so it would make sense to be bullish. If we are bullish now, we would be drawing towards this other 4-hour bullish PY, which is above here. We're just ping ponging, but I don't really trust this sell side liquidity rate. If it would have had something deeper, something stronger, I would have liked to look for buys here, but like this, I don't like it. I don't like it, but yeah, this can be an idea, right? We're drawing back to, so we can draw back from this 4-hour bullish AVG to the 4-hour bearish one. This is your classic ping pong or a classic retracement, and we do have this hourly inversion if we close above it, but I just don't like the sell side liquidity rate. If I would have seen something deeper, right, then I would like this idea, but like this, I still prefer kind of looking at sells. So I'm gonna be patient. I'm not gonna trade. Buys are too risky because of this right here. But if we inverse, we're very likely on coming back towards these Asian highs in that 4-hour AVG that we have. But I just don't like the idea. I still think we're more likely to do this actually, and then reach back into that. But it depends. What are you gonna see? Even if we inverse, I wouldn't really like buying like straight off the bat. I would like to see something like this and then inverse and then look to trade off higher, because structure hasn't yet fully get confirmed bullish. I want to see, usually in cases like this, I want to see a higher low get printed always. When we're clearly bearish for the day, right? For me to take bullish trades, I do want to see the higher low getting printed and structure structure switching bullish in a sense. But yeah, doesn't really look like we're caring too much about the bearish POI. So we're probably just gonna wait and see what price does. I'm gonna again move this to my second monitor. I'm probably just gonna chill with playing a video game while we wait. That's why I wanted to be a bit more chill these days. That's why I haven't streamed. I wanted to be a bit more chill, not be so kind of pressured in a sense to just be on the charts non-stop and just talk about it. That's why kind of streams kind of burn me out in a sense. But yeah, I'm back. I'm still gonna treat it how I treated it yesterday. I traded very chill. Maybe we have the idea later on when we reach back into this, and then from here we can actually look to target back into that 4-hour. So we have to see though. I cannot really, for me, I see price slowing down, which kind of really still shows me that we have potential of holding bearish. But now considering like this, even if we want to hold bearish, I would want to see this right here and then see a retracement and then take that shorts towards these lows. So even like that, we still need a lot of structure because we're very in the middle of structure in a sense. Oops, my bad. So we're just waiting. This is my only trade. Euro's likely to be bullish as well, and yeah, my only trade is gonna be this if we get it. But it's just kind of low probability considering the displacement we get through that 50-minute AVG. 1 second, I just want to do something to mute my desktop audio so you cannot really hear my game. But yeah. It's crazy that I'm actually turning profitable because I'm not chasing any trades, you know. I think that's mostly what changed. I do not force trade anymore. I do force trade sometimes, but it doesn't happen as often as it did before. It just happens pretty much rarely, right? And I win, bro, I win this week. I won Monday, Tuesday, Thursday. I'm not sure. Wednesday, I think I took a day off, bro. Like that's pretty crazy. I'm winning pretty much every single day because I think it's because of experience. I have so much experience that I know when a good move in the market is gonna happen, and I know when a trade is good. Basically, like legitimately, I'm not trying to be arrogant and not trying to be overconfident or some shit. But when I've traded setups that I liked, I do not remember one time it failed. Like at least recently, at least the past 3 4 weeks, I don't remember a really good setup that ended up failing. I don't remember. The only losses I took was because I took forced trades, and it's kind of crazy. For now, yeah, this looks pretty bullish on the retest here, and it looks like we're likely going reaching higher, but we can also have that. We don't need to worry. We can also have that Asian high sweep come into that 4 hour, and for then, like if we have like a 50-minute inverse here, oof, that would be good to target like straight up the bat lower. Let me just make my audio on the game a bit lower. And yeah, we're just gonna see. We're waiting. We're being patient. We don't need to chase any trades, and that's, I think, ironically what is right now making my win rate higher, because I'm not chasing anything, right? Let me mute this. Okay, let me even make my audio even smaller. I don't need audio. I just want to chill. I'm not chasing anything. I'm legitimately waiting for exactly what I want to see. If I get what I want to see, I'm taking a trade. If I don't get what I want to see, I'm not taking the trade. I think that has been the huge switch in my trading and psychologically, right? I'm not forcing anymore. I used to force so much, bro, and come with all these feelings. Now I'm just here because I don't know. I just enjoy being here in a sense. And I'm sorry if you guys are typing in chat if there's anyone on the stream, but I cannot see your chat right now. For now, it's looking like it's trying to hold that as a retest, but I feel like it's gonna fail still. Yeah, things are going pretty good. It's kind of just looking, at least, like I'm turning profitable, and it's hard for me to even believe, right? It's hard for me to believe because I've been unprofitable for so long that for my brain, since I got used to it so much, it's hard to believe, right? But at least the past 3 weeks I consistently grew. That's the thing. Bro, leave me alone. Why are there so much fucking people here? Futu-ți morții, mătii, în gură și Dumnezeu și Hristosul, mătii. Stai că te prind eu, futu-te în gură să te fut. I'm sorry, but sometimes my own language comes out when I'm angry. Come pussy, yeah, boy, come. Come, little boy, where you at, bitch? This guy just leave. Yeah, that's been my switch. I just been more relaxed and really that's what always been about. Going from break even to profitable is about removing those leaks in your execution, right? And those leaks were unnecessary trades. Forced trades when you would come with all these feelings in the market, and you would end up, I don't know, forcing some sort of trade because you want to trade, you want to make money, you want to turn profitable, right? And that's kind of normal in a sense. We all feel that. We all go through through these feelings of wanting to force a trade or wanting to win or all these stuff, right? We all go through those. Oh, why the fuck am I alone? What? Why am I alone? Yeah, that's just what you go through, right? And it never really truly stops. It just happens less often. That's also what I realized. You never truly stop taking force trades. It just, with time, you get better at spotting them and spotting when you're about to do that and all these things, and it just happens way less often. That's what I also realized. Because now I'm more and more aware of when I'm forcing trades, and at least that's a good sign, right? Because when I'm taking force trades, at least now I'm going smaller risk, which is still good. It's not perfect, but in the future, I'm gonna probably just not take force trades, right? It used to happen previously. At least when I started this scalping journey, I would take force trades every single day. Now I would say it happens maybe this week. It only happened once, so it's huge progress, to be honest, for me. That's what I also want to talk about. That's how you go from break even to profitable, is removing those unnecessary losses. Either they come from psychology, which they do most of the time. They come because you have all these feelings within you that push you into bad trades, or they can come from, I don't know, a bad partial system, from greed, that you leave your trades run too much, for going break even too quickly. There are a lot of things that can come from, but most of the time they're just forced trades, to be honest. They're just forced trades. I feel like that's the most common issue as traders that are usually break even, right? Because when you're at break even, you already know, um, you already are winning consistently enough. It's just that you have those bad trades that you keep taking, that end up giving back all the profit that you made previously. That's kind of the thing with force trades, and yeah, I think it's something really important that we all go through, in a sense, sooner or later. I know in the break-even journey, this was the biggest kind of hurdle, in a sense. The biggest enemy was force trades. Of course, I had some small leaks, like my partial system, or trade management, or not listening to intuition. A lot of things can be there, but the biggest and most influential factor is force trades, because that's where your win rate really explodes, in a sense. That's where your win rate really goes. Wait, I can see your win rate. I don't know how to say this. Your win rate is massively impacted by the trades you're taking, of course, and by low probability trades. It's logic, right? If you skip low probability trades, your trades are gonna be higher quality, and therefore increase your win rate. So trade selection has, even GBT said, it has a 60% impact on your win rate. And that's what force trades are, and that's why you actually break out of being break even when you stop forcing trades. It's because it massively impacts your win rate. At that point, you have, at least I had, around 33% win rate when I was breaking even. So I was a bit focused, but it was just about a matter of really oh my god, sorry, I don't know what's wrong with my throat, in a sense. But that's how you actually go. Like, even on my funded account that I lost, I had a 33% with 2R. That's break even. Like, on a statistical basis, that's break even. How do you go from break even to profitable? By making your win rate slightly higher. How do you do that? By avoiding bad trades. Trades that you know are bad, in a sense. And those are most of the time force trades. These force trades almost all the time, are just really low probability trades that you know are prone to fail. Where you at, bitchy boy? Sorry, I'm again focused a bit. Oh, some bapula meta. My bad, bro. I don't know what's wrong with my throat. But yeah, that's how you go from break even to profitable. About it's yeah, that's what I always said, and that's I think common knowledge is about removing unnecessary losses, not winning more. When you're break even, you're already winning consistently, but you're just having too small losses, too many losses where you're giving it back basically. It's about removing those losses that you know are unnecessary in a sense. That's why I'm turning profitable right now because I'm not forcing trades anymore, not that often, and I'm really waiting for exactly what I want to see, which is those A plus setups in a sense. Hey, you up, bitch? Now it's making a retest, but again, I don't really want to be taking buys. My only idea is shorts. See, I'm not getting FOMO because oh my god, Bryce might be leaving without me, but I'm not getting FOMO at all. How I used to get, oh my god, Bryce is going bullish. I'm taking this buy right here, and then my initial buy ends up getting played out. You get what I mean? Still waiting on these shorts. I still think they're slightly more likely to play out, and I'm only waiting for the idea that I want to see. This is what changed, and this is what made me go from break even to profitable. Is that I only wait for what I want to see. I don't get FOMO with what if price leaves, what if price does that, what if price leaves without me. Even if I don't get any of that. I don't force any trades. If I see what I want, I trade, and if I don't, and the trade still works, I just accept it. Right, just accept it. Not getting FOMO, not getting anything, just waiting exactly for my idea. Because there's gonna be a lot of trades, for example, that end up playing out where you don't get exactly what you want to see, and I don't know how to explain. Price leaves without you, and you have to accept that that is just part of trading in a sense. I don't know how to put it. But yeah, see, we're getting that bearish reaction. It's decent to look here, but we don't really have confluence yet. I would still prefer seeing this consolidation fall off. Yeah, I'm still waiting for that, as I said initially, for a bigger swing, then a retrace with another entry. That's my idea. If I get it, I'm trading. If I don't, I'm not trading. That's my only idea, and then I'm only trading one pair today, and that's it. Not complicated, a very simple setup. Already looks like a good gap, but it's just troll to take it here even like this, because we still have this consolidation where price can react off and still continue bullish. So that's why still being patient. I need to see structure switch varies the same. I generally wait for a higher low to form on a bullish case. This is where I'm waiting for a lower high to form, and we're entering on the lower high basically. It's sad that one thing that is sad is that I've become profitable right after I lost my 50k account, and now I'm trading extremely small size. But if I wouldn't have lost the 50k account, I wouldn't have become profitable, because I started making some changes because I lost the 50k account. So everything happens for a reason at the end of the day. Really. I'm also gonna buy a funded probably in September, October, we'll see. And that's when we can actually start really making money. Now I'm actually seeing profitability with my own eyes. It's not that I'm cherry picking only the good trades that I've taken and then thinking that it's possible to turn profitable. Now I'm actually seeing it on my results in a sense. Because the past 4 weeks now, I've consistently grown this account. I want to grow it to like 300. Now it's at 60. If I grow it at 300, then I can really say, oh my god, I actually am profitable. Now for me, it's still huge to be able to be profitable in August, bro. August is the worst month usually, and I think I lost 2 accounts in August, 2 funded accounts in August previously. And me doing well now and actually being profitable in August is kind of a huge thing. It's actually pretty fucking huge if you think about it. My mind again still doesn't let me believe, because you know, as most of you, we all work really hard, right? We all work really hard in this. Well, to be honest, how much time it took, at some point I just kind of gave up the idea that profitability is even possible. I just kept working, and that's why my mind right now is not really accepting it, because I got so used to not being profitable. Just got so used to the idea. And see, imagine if you would have taken that short and that gap. See what I mean? Just about being patient, bro, and knowing when to enter. Knowing when it's time to enter and when it's not time to enter. That's a pretty good initiation hire though, but I wouldn't take buys. Again, I'm just waiting straight for my idea. If I get it, I get it. If I don't, I don't. We don't need to trade every single day, and first of all, it's only London. We can trade New York as well. Hey, we wicked. That's a good start. If we wick like this and start breaking lower, that's a good start. But if we would have entered on that bearish, yeah, we most likely would have gotten manipulated. We fucking move, bro. Oh my god, these guys have perks, really, bro. Oh my god, I almost beat him, bro. Fuck. I'm getting really good at this game, but I'm gonna check the chats. Hi, bro. Hi. Sorry, I'm really playing right now as usual. Just waiting for my setup. How are you today, bro? Let's see if we start breaking. That's a good start though. I wouldn't take. We're gonna see how we break. Oh shit. But it's now, oh my god. I'm trying to get those perks if I even live long enough to try and get those. I think I'm just gonna die, to be honest. Fuck. No, the perkies. I'm thinking whether if we start breaking out, would take it, because we did kind of form that structure depending on the break. Ooh, I kind of like this though. I'm thinking this is a good break to the point where we did form the lower high of this move, and we do have this inversion. I'm just thinking whether this is a good choice or not. I do want to see us carry on at least towards the slow. If we recheck like this, hell nah. But I'm thinking about it. Yeah, that's still bullish. Definitely still bullish. We need to see strong momentum lower, otherwise I'm not taking it as usual. Oh, it's a player really. Yeah, the entry got rejected massively. So not taking it, not yet. Boom, boom, boom. It got rejected, yeah. We haven't taken this, by the way. We just were considering it. We still need to see some strong intent lower. If we don't, that doesn't really confirm what I want to see from price here. I want to see some strong bearish intent. Until we do, hell nah. Even if we break lower right now, I'm not gonna take it because it's already that bullish kind of fucked the trade really hard, or the entry at least. Oops. But if we would break here, we would get pretty crazy hard. But I need to see some strong momentum to have the confidence to not wait for that extra retracement. I really need to see a strong break low for me to be confident in entering here. You know what I mean? Instead of waiting for the retracement, for a big bearish leg and a retracement. Need to see something high conviction for me to justify not waiting for my initial plan. Yeah, well, for now we're bullish anyway, so. Let's clear bullish order flow. But it does not mean necessarily that we will not get a break lower. Oh shit, fuck. I fell. It would be even more to break, even better to break lower because we would reject all these buyers of that FVG. But realistically, I don't really think it's gonna happen though. Realistically, I think we're more prone to be bullish at this point. But bullish idea is not an idea I'm looking actively towards because of that too shallow sweep. For me, I really think we're so likely to come back into the lows, and our trend is bearish. So oops, what did I do? Is you have bitch. Need to see a really good displacement for me to have the confidence of entering here. Okay, that's a good start actually, but I do want to see it carry on. Wait, I'm gonna try and pause my game in case we actually get a good displacement lower. You want to see us carry on below the low though. Oops. You also have this inversion tool. It's a very displacement. We have this generated low here, which is a good sign. Wait, I might actually be taking this if the displacement looks good, of course. Yeah, already got fucked. We're still rejecting. I think we might be likely to sweep that buy side again, actually. But the displacement already got fucked with that bullish candle. I wanted to see strong momentum lower. We're not really getting it, so I'm not gonna try and force a trade like this. Let me see how it looks. If we close below the low, that's gonna be my criteria for taking this. And this is gonna be a limit even if I do. Looking decent actually. It's a good displacement. Oh, that's a good displacement. Okay, we're getting pretty good displacement. But I do want to see the low. I'm considering to see here on behavior how we behave. But yeah, that's a pretty bullish sign. But we're gonna see. Yeah, that's not a good displacement. On the broker, it looks a bit better. If we actually look, it looks a bit better, but I still don't like it. Let me just move so I don't die here. I don't know where to go here. I am considering a market execution, but I really don't like that we rejected that low. And yeah, I don't really like this. I would have liked this week to come take the high. So for now, yeah, I don't know. This would be forced for me to take. So this would be forced definitely for me to take here. I will not take it. Where does this guy even die, bro? Oh shit. Where did you come from, bro? Okay, I'm gonna close the game now because I feel like it's a point in time where I should be focusing a bit. We didn't even tap that inversion either, so now I can see the chat. So yeah, this just looks forced though, definitely forced. You didn't mitigate that inversion here. See, now I have that tendency of getting FOMO here. What if price leaves? What if price does? You know what I mean? Like even in an opportunity like this, I get FOMO. It's just that I don't let it push me into taking this trade because I know it's bad. Look at this low getting rejected, right? And while we're rejecting this low, we're also rejecting the bottom of the 50-minute AVG, which what does it mean? Bullish side. Very bullish sign. We should use 50-minute AVGs like here as confluence. So when we want to take our entry, we want to see price leave that 50-minute AVG and then take our entry. Because like this, if you reject the bottom half of it just means that we're prone to be bullish. So I'm gonna take a small break. And I'm gonna be back soon. Euro looks a bit better on being bearish as usual because it's the weaker pair. But context, again, I don't like context. So this is just too iffy. This right here, this is the definition of a forced trade. This is the pure definition of a forced entry. And I have that feeling in the back of my head, oh my god, take it. What if price is leaving me without it? What if price leaves? What if price does that? But in reality, it's just a forced trade. And it's prone to fail. I don't like this spice out. I think this may be gonna get swept. I don't like this. So being patient here, definitely being patient. It's not a good option. So we're just waiting. Get my phone. not doing shit. Hi, bro. Morning. I'm just waiting on the setup, bro, but we're really, really slow. Waiting on this bearish. Yeah, I'm looking at a bearish trade here on you, but they're very slow. We're not doing much right now. I'm just gonna chill in the meantime. It's kind of pointless, really, watching the chart so closely in a sense when we're really just consolidating. Really slow, but let me look at the economical calendar. Don't we have some news today? Let me check real quick. Friday. I mean, we have some news at 5, which is silver bullet hour, but until then it's pretty much clear. They're not really, but it's gonna, this type of setup usually kind of leaves late London. That's usually when we get the move, but it depends. For now, we're really stalling. London session didn't really do much. You, bro, are you looking to trade anything? I was gonna play some Call of Duty career while I'm waiting. Where that is though, but yeah, we're very consolidated. If this would have been an entry I would have probably previously taken just out of FOMO, and that's the definition of a forced trade. So we will manage to maybe even avoid a loss just by not taking a shit trade, to be honest. What is that? What the fuck? Cluster mine. Now it's looking like it's gonna actually initiate bullish though, by the looks of it, but I don't trust the high. So until then, actually, I think yeah, I don't think it's fun. I'll probably even stream the game, to be honest. Like this, I can also see the chat. We're just playing single player. Oh shit! Die, bitch. We're just chilling. Not really interesting. Ascender. What the fuck is that? Could be useful, yes sir. This game is really nice, bro. Like, look at this shit. Oh. Why is there a lot of bottles here, bro? Wish people be drinking. I'm just waiting on the setup. Let me 1 second, just make it so I can actually see what's happening on the setup. You can see the chat and my bad, and the trade and the setup, my bad. So boom, boom. Okay, so we're just waiting on the juice setup. Until then, we're just gonna play, because it really, sometimes, like, this is what I realized with trading. While you're waiting for your setup, it's kind of pointless to just sit and really just sit there and watch every single candle print. Even while you're in a trade, it's kind of pointless. What is here, bro? Oh shit. And now it's just stagnating. It's not doing much. What is this? It's on the map. What is this shit? Oh, my bad. Here, I think, oh, it's a cruise missile, but I don't want that shit. Okay, now we're reacting a bit bearish though. Oh shit. Fuck, he saw me, bruh. Where did this guy spawn from? I just, oh. My aim is so good. It's behind me. Where the fuck did you spawn from, bruh? Oh shit. Oh no, there is alert, bro. I need to go hide. So let's look at this. Hey bro, we gaming now. Bro, I'm just gaming until I'm waiting for the tree to do something. For the setup to do something, because price has just consolidated for 30 minutes without doing anything. So might as well just enjoy myself while I'm waiting for the trade. Bro, die, bro. What are you doing, bro? That guy doesn't want to die. Oh, fuck off, bro. I'm not fighting these guys. Oh, shit. Take that shit, little bro. Take that shit. Just look, 1 second. Price is not doing shit, bro. That's why in cases like this, when we're not, for the last 30 minutes, we just consolidated. For me, it's more fun to play. 24, like half an hour, we didn't do shit. We're low probability, so just chill in the meantime. It's just pointless, bro. Or do something else. For example, you could work. I could work in this period, but I really don't want to work right now. So I'm just, bro, what? Oh my, oh, bro, what is it? What the fuck just happened? What the fuck, bro? What is that guy shooting with, bro? What the fuck? What the fuck was that? Let's see what we can get from here. A lot of loot, bro. This game is interesting. Let's activate our UAV. Where are we? Oh shit, look how many there are there. There are a lot of people there. We'll see. As I said, usually the setup happens oh shit. Late London. Which is, oh fuck, he saw me. Fuck. Okay, now we're chilling. What is this, armor box? Okay. Oh, look at this car, bro. Oh shit, bro, what is this that guy shooting with, bro? Look at this car. Sheesh. Porsche? Is it a Porsche? I think it is actually a Porsche. It is a Porsche, no? The kind of older. Oh, he's sending bomb drones. No, bro, he destroyed the Porsche, bro. No, he destroyed the Porsche. Look at this shit, bro. I wanted to see it, bro. Fuck. Oh, this is a Mercedes. Look at this, bro. God damn. Bro, can you fucking stop with your bomb drones, bro? Look at this shit right there. Sheesh. These are definitely Mercedes, though. That's how I see them. Mercedes. This is pretty cool. Let's see the back. Ah, it's the same car, actually. Oh, yeah, this is the Mercedes AMG GT3 GT something. At least that's how I think. It looks pretty clean. Where you at, bitch? Can I see through the window? Oh my god. Look how many bomb drones there are, bro. Average Ukraine experience. Average Ukraine experience, definitely. But damn, bro, I would drive a car like this, definitely. Sheesher. Listen, this is definitely a Mercedes, though. Let me see if I can check. I'm curious. Mercedes, bro. Mercedes AMG GT 63, I think. I think this is the car, but I'm not 100% sure. Oh, it's not. Bro, it's the one that has like that. Yeah, it is actually. Look at this shit. Oops. Look at this shit right there. Yeah, it's definitely this. And the front is similar, but it's not. It's definitely the back, though. We're spotting cars in Call of Duty. That's what do you do when there is no trades or the market is slow. But goddamn. Okay, let's move on. It's pointless to sit and watch a car. This looks like a Bentley though. Not Bentley. Maybach maybe? E98. Maybe we find an Easter egg. Okay, let's just go, bro. Oh, bro, why are there so many bomb drones, bro? The fuck? Fucking thousand of bomb drones. Bro, let me down. Yeah, nice view, bro. Nice view. Oh shit. Oh fuck, no, please don't. Oh my god, bro. Bro, where you? What the fuck? Where you shooting from, bitch? Bitch ass boy. Oh my god, there's gonna be a lot of people here. I already know. There's gonna be a lot of people here. I don't know how to approach this. What is this? This was a, what the fuck? This was a trap, bro. What? That was a tripwire though. Snapshot pulse. I have no idea what this is. Oh shit. Wait, bro, where you at, bro? Where you at, bro? I like this weapon, bro. It's so cool. Where you at, bro? Where you at, bitch boy? Go back to work. Where you? Goddamn. Where's you, bro? Oh shit. Bitch ass boy, what is he doing, bro? Oh, again, another tripwire. Look at this shit, bro. We already work here. Okay, let's go. Oh my god. That was walked into that. Oh shit. This is pretty cool. I kind of want to go there first, though. This is actually cool. Let's see what is here. We're definitely gonna find some loot here, though. 100%. Oh, imagine having a house like this, bro. God damn, this would be clean as fuck. Like having this view every single day, bro. God damn, I would definitely live like this. Why is they cutting lemons? What is this? A dragon fruit? Oh yeah, I think it's a dragon fruit. Look at this. What is this? Let's see the house tour. Ooh, I can want this crossbow. Let me just take this real quick. But imagine sitting here and trading with this view. God damn. That would actually be nice if you think about it. Can I not open the door? Okay, I'm gonna break. Oh shit, look at this. Oh, let's test our crossbow. That's crazy. But it's not silenced. Bro, nah, this is cool as fuck. I ain't gonna lie. Look at this shit, bro. This game is actually so nice. Just admiring the view. This is nice as fuck. Like, actually living here would be crazy. Look at this, though. It's a fucking clean ass fuck house sitting here. Like this. And just chilling. Yeah, this is nice, bro. I love this game. Oh, we have a boxing bag also. Let's go back. Let me also do this 1 second, so you can actually hear the game also. If you even enjoy watching the game, I still see there's like 2 people on the stream, so I think they're enjoying watching the game. Most of the people just leave. So let's see what we gonna do here, bro. Bro, but this game is nice, bro. High code, high, bro. Welcome to the stream. Oh shit. Oh shit. Yeah, I'm having a fucking blast with this game, bro. Oh, nah, this is crazy, bro. Look at this shit. So clean. Where this beach is at? Nah, bro. This is like, oh shit. I already have a soul, but look at this, bro. Why can I not see myself? Why can I not see myself? But this is a clean fucking window. This is how I want my bathroom to look like. And why the fuck do you have 2 sinks? Okay, they were fine. There's a chest here. Where is it? I think it's on the other side, but
Main house, moving interior. Copy. Be advised, I'll
Oh, we
lose
have a
visual.
gym.
Check. Where's Romanova?
Hold up
Oh,
in her
shit.
office. Third
Hell
floor behind
yeah,
the secure
taking
locked
that
door.
shit right there.
How do we breach it?
Ghost, if you cut power to the security
What,
system, I can
treadmill?
open the door
I
remotely.
mean, I would zero
Solid
it, but
copy.
it's you, to be
Even if we
honest.
do get to Romanova,
Oh, look,
Coney
there's the
won't
bitch.
stop.
They'll stop when they're
already
dead.
Good point. So if you know what to
Yeah,
do.
bitch.
Clean and clear, Watcher. My specialty.
Down. Bitch, sit down, bro. Nah, but this house is clean. I ain't gonna lie, bro. This is some inspiration.
Ghost, what's the power update?
Located. Stay on it, Johnny.
What am I supposed to do here, though? This is a nice house. You have a pool fucking table, bro. God damn, this is nice
LT,
house.
give me a set rep.
Nearly done. Keep pressing.
Nice. Oh shit! Wait, isn't there a chest here? Is it appears? Oh, it's up. I want to explore, bro. This game is too beautiful not to explore and to hurry to make your mission. Okay, this is. Game value is higher than your voice. Okay, my bad. My bad, Chiefy. Let me make it slower. Okay, thank you for saying that. I think now we should be okay. And I'm also speaking kind of slow. Not slow, low. But yeah, Gio is still fucking stalling. He's still not doing shit. Oh, shit. God damn. Okay, I'm taking this. Taking this shit right here. Now it should be fine. I think I had my game volume on the max, and I think that's why. But what am I supposed to do here, though? Because this is where I'm supposed to be at, but I'm not sure what am I supposed to do. Oh my god, bro. Bro, I was bomb fucking drones, man. What am I what am I supposed to do, though? Here's the balcony. I don't think there's much on the balcony. Ooh, this is a nice bedroom. Sheesh. But I don't know what am I supposed to do, because do I not see? Clear the mansion and confront the ugly arc. Okay. Oh my god, this guy. Bro, what is he doing, bro? This guy has fucking armor. He died really hard. Okay. He didn't. Oh, no. Bitch ass boy. Is volume okay now? Or not? Let me see. I'm gonna put it still a bit slower just to make sure, though, because I don't really see. I think it should be fine now. Fuck you. But why do I feel like I know this bitch, bro? Oh yeah, let me see Gio. So Gio, by the way, is still stalling, guys. This is why I'm playing video games, and yeah, still stalling. Maybe after we see that buy sell liquidity, we just fucking did nothing. So it's pointless for me to really be on the charts. Not in a necessarily opportunistic case, but when price action is stalling like this, it's just pointless. You don't even have things to kind of break down in a sense or study. That's why it's annoying, but we gotta do what we gotta do. Oh shit, my phone fell on the ground. Bro, I love Ghost. If you guys know Ghost, this mask guy, this guy is the baddest fucking guy ever. He's the boss. He's cool as fuck. He has a mask, bro, on. He's cool as fuck. Look at Ghost, bro. This guy is crazy, bro. This guy is still clean, bro. This guy is him. Look at him, bro. This guy is definitely him. We're hunting down Makarov. Makarov is the Russian bro. My ghost is Makarov is the Russian guy that does bad things, and we're hunting him down. Bro, but he's so cold, bro. Look at him. Pleasure doing business, okay. She's so angry. Okay, let's see what we got going on in the next mission, gangy. This is the bad boy. If you're bored, I'm sorry, but I'm gonna watch the cinematic. I like the story of the game. Bro, this game looks so fucking good, bro. But he said these are so fucking cool. I ain't gonna- Oh shit, there's gonna be our mission in a fucking maze. We're driving the fucking drone. Nah, this game is clean, bro. I fucking love Call of Duty, bro. Ain't gonna lie. Best fucking game ever. And look how real it is, bro. Look how real it fucking looks. Oh, we're on a combat mission again. There's no way. Oh, you're actually. Why do I have a shotgun though? Shit. For a pistol. Okay, let's see what we got going on today. Okay, so Gio just swept some bicep, but I do want to see some intent. Can I not melee him? I don't need it. Fuck. Ascender required. What the fuck did I find an ascender? Oh, there's fucking there's a ladder here, okay. I can't see shit though. Oh no. Oh my fucking god. Almost died. And from here, what am I supposed to? Oh. Oh shit. I think there's two people here. But what is that chest? Where is this chest though? You have to go. Oh, it's a fucking maze. You have to go through here. How the fuck do you? Oh my god. I have to go right? Can I go right here? Night vision goggles. Thank fucking god. Would wanna go take that chest right there. Hold to hack. Oh. Trap there. What is this, bro? I can't see shit. I have to disable this trap, or I could have went prone, but oh shit, there's so many fucking traps, bro. Oh my god. How am I supposed to do this? Oh my god, this feels like a fucking spy mission. What is this? C4? Okay. There's nothing here. What is this? C4 again. Why are there so many traps, bro? Why would you place so many traps in here? Wanna go for that chest. Ooh, yes sir. Hell yeah, we taking that shit. I don't really want to climb up the stairs now. I want to go and check the other side. If we disable all the traps, we can go back, I think. Oh, there's two people. Oh shit. There's two people here. I don't want to climb yet. Oh shit, that was clean. I have 8Ks. Okay, we get armor. Oh, there's a chest here. The fuck will reach it though? I don't want no shotgun, bro. Or garbage. Oh, look. Nice city though. I mean, it looks fucking communist though. This looks like Romania a bit. God damn, this looks so similar to Romania. These balconies. That should look fucking similar. No, I'm not gonna take a pistol. Oh, I'm gonna take this though. Silence. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I just wanna take it slow. I wanna really enjoy this level. Oh my god, there's 3 people there. Okay. How the fuck am I supposed? Oh look, also look at you. We just rated this buy side liquidity, but we definitely need to see some intent. If we don't see some strong intent, this trade is pretty much over. Like, I'm not really gonna be looking to trade right now. Right, we're probably gonna get a late setup. Euro stagnating. AU kind of was bullish a bit of this kind of sell side rate right there. Maybe this could have been an opportunity, but yeah, just kind of gross price action today. Okay, gold played out the same model that we had, which I was kind of thinking about, but I don't really like trading gold anymore. We had kind of this inversion. Okay, we had that inversion. Let's see, we had a pretty decent entry actually, so maybe I should have traded gold. What am I doing? This was actually decent here if you look at gold. Look at this wick right there, bro. And we had very clear like sell side objective. We had pretty clear bias, but most of the times I just don't like gold. It's very choppy. Like, look at this shit, bro. Like, that's why I kind of skipped gold, but I didn't pay attention to the setup. But this was actually, even on the lower time frame, was a really good entry here. Boom, 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 retest, and then smelled. But Asian lows was taken. We did have this too, but yeah, it's a bit of a choppier setup, but it could have definitely been traded, definitely. And now we look like we're still gonna continue. So I think this was our setup, but I just naturally gravitated towards what I know moves. And weird enough, GEO today moved like how gold usually does in London, and gold moved how forex pairs usually move. Which is weird. Maybe I should have gave gold a chance, but now it's too late for that. It's all good though. Maybe we should have gave gold a chance, but It is choppy most of the time, and it's not really worth trading most of the time. At least for scalping, hell no. Maybe for swings and shit. Sure, but how the fuck do I kill these 3 guys? Do I have a flashbang? This setup was pretty clean, but context is always fucking choppy. Can I flash them? The fuck out of here. Oh. Oh shit. No, I don't know if I want to go outside though. I don't know, it's weird that... Oh shit. It's weird that... Oh no, they have the fucking alarm. Fuck. It's weird that gold moved and the first price didn't. Usually it's kind of the opposite way around, but I guess there's some exceptions some days. I'm guessing. But yeah, maybe we should have gave it a chance, because if I think about it right now, it is decent. I looked at it, and even... I know I saw it, I just kind of... Maybe I shouldn't have just... I don't know. We had pretty clear bearish order flow. We had this nice hourly inversion here, which serves as our POI. We had the same model that we're looking to trade on, like same trending Asia. We see Asia trending lower, we want to follow his trend. We had objective. Yeah, it was pretty clean. Maybe we should have taken it, but yeah, maybe I should give gold some more chances. I feel like I would need to back test gold a bit. It's just not... It's most of the time it's choppy. I don't know if this is the period, but I don't really like how it prints on an overall basis. It prints very weird, very choppy most of the time. So maybe I should have still give it a chance, but no, it is what it is. We just learn. We're still probably gonna have some sort of setup today. If we don't, it's all good. We're still doubly weak. What is this? A shotgun? Hell nah. Oh, fuck, please, shotguns. Not ironically though. Oh bitch ass boy. How the fuck am I supposed to go up if the stairs are blocked? This is an elevator, but it doesn't fucking work. How the fuck am I supposed to go up though? Should I go through here? Or ascender required? Then where the fuck am I supposed to find an ascender? Bruh, I need to go outside, I think. Probably. That's the only way, pretty much, logically, if you think about it. Are there any people I can see? I don't... Oh, there's a big ass rope here we can take, but I don't want to take ropes. I mean, I think that's pretty much our only choice, because we're back in the same place we were. Oh, no, I actually could climb through here. Sixth floor. I'm at what floor? Oh shit, bro, there's smoke. Oh my god, I don't want to be here, bro. How the fuck does this guy know I'm here? And I'm camping you bitches. Get the fuck on my way, bitch. Bitch. Ha ha ha. Oh, I just fucking died. I don't know if I want to self-res though. I'm gonna give up if I can. Fuck, I wanted to give up, bro. Oh, there's a chest here. Door stuck. How can I get in there though? I can't. Simple. Give me the fucking door. Oh, I'm dead. I thought I'm cooking, but I'm not cooking. I'm dead. 3, 2, 1. I fucking died. Yeah, and Gio's looking bullish as well. We should have traded gold, but it is what it is. This is where I'm probably gonna end the stream. More of a chill stream. We should have taken this gold trade. I kind of neglected gold though. Yeah, I just neglected gold. We had pretty much the same fucking setup, except Gio and Euro didn't play them and chopped around all London session. So it is what it is. Other than that, I'm really not gonna be considering taking any trades. Where is AU in a strong area? We are in a 4-hour VG and we did sweep this low. But I just don't really want to trade, to be honest. I'm being fully honest. A lot of resistance around these highs. I don't really want to be trading today. So I'm going to see you, I don't know, maybe for New York. I'm not sure. But today, not really going to... really not going to be trading. So thank you for being here. And see you